emerald meadows floating on the surface.
Below, the garden sways with the current.
Forest and water merge into one nature. Every shadow shades life. Amazonian manatee, a gentle sea cow of the river. A bearded face shaped by still water. Every movement brings a calm rhythm. Hidden elegance in magnificent form. Even giants find friends in silence. Every wound is a sign of survival in dangerous waters. Breath merges with the water in a quiet sigh. Peace resides in its gaze. The giant disappeared into the green silence. The floating vegetables are its feast. His lips pluck each leaf with surprising precision. The manatee calf follows the steady rhythm of its mother.
A calm intelligence gazes outward.
Even giants like to roll around. Even the jungle has become a comfortable highway. His body becomes a garden for life. Patience is the flavor of every meal.
A shadow moves beneath the emerald raft.
But near the riverbank, danger lurks. A hunter waits for weakness. The giant breathes, oblivious to the gaze. Jungle cat prepares to attack. The calm surface exploded in violence. In a single breath, life and death meet beneath the surface. The river swallows the flying sea cow. A paddle-life tail pushes for safety. The cat retreats, defeated by depth and mass. Silence returns to the surface of the river. A gentle force glides in liquid light. As the sun sets, the river glows with slow shadows. Survival increases with every breath.